I met a parrot, bright and blue. He flapped his wings and said, "How do you do?" He wiggled, he giggled, and gave a big shout. "Hello, my friend, let's dance about." Squawk, squawk, well, what do you say? The singing parrot talks all day. Apple, banana, jump and spin. Let's all say the words again. He hopped on my shoulder, whispered, "Boo!" Then he laughed and said, "Peekaboo!" He counted to 5 and clapped his wings. 1, 2, 3, let's all sing. Squawk, squawk, what do you say? The singing parrot talks all day. Sun, moon, rainbow too. Can you say these colors too? He loves to learn, he loves to play. He teaches new words every day. Happy, silly, big and small. Sing them loud, sing them all. Squawk, squawk, what do you say? The singing parrot talks all day. Clap, stomp, wiggle, spin. Let's all say the words again. Goodbye, my friend, the parrot sings. See you soon with more new things.